Now, as we begin this auspicious ceremony, it is our privilege to welcome our esteemed dignitaries. A huge round of applause to welcome them.
Attention! All constables, public, back time up!
Steps symbolize the beginning of a new chapter, a journey of leadership, responsibility, and service. May every We proudly present our head boy, Shivam Yadav. I request Honorable Mother Sir to proceed to the stage, and I also request Principal Ma'am to join him on the stage. May we invite Shivam Yadav to kindly step forward. That's a great presence of mind. We request sir to kindly felicitate him with the sash. Thank you, sir. We request Shivan's parents to kindly present him with the badge. Thank you, sir. And now we request our respected principal, Jessie ma'am, to present Shivam with the school flag, symbolizing the trust and the responsibility of representing our school. Thank you, ma'am. Let us welcome our head boy with a huge round of applause. Our next leader is thoughtful, faithful, helpful and kind, qualities that make her a wonderful representative of our school. Please welcome our head girl, Mariam Khan. I invite Mariam to kindly step forward, and we invite Mariam's parent, Mrs. Khan, on the stage. We kindly request Mother Sir to confer the sash upon our head girl. Thank you, sir. We request her mother to present her with a badge. Our head girl is a young leader with strong sense of curiosity and willingness to explore. English is a favorite subject while she continues to work on science numericals. Her greatest strength is her communication, and her athletic spirit is reflected in her love for running. Thank you, ma'am. Let us give Mariam a warm round of applause. Next, we have a young leader who represents responsibility and dedication. Please welcome our voice head boy, Tarun Pal. We request Tarun to kindly step forward, and we invite Tarun's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Pal, to proceed to the stage. May we request sir to kindly confer the sash upon him. Thank you, sir. We request Tarun's parents to honor him with the badge. An athletic and diligent student, he approaches every responsibility with commitment and gives his best whatever he undertakes. A big round of applause for Tarun Pal. Our next young leader is a brilliant and creative student who believes in putting her heart into everything she does. Please welcome our vice head girl, Kushima Sahu. May we invite Kushima to kindly come forward. Kushima's parents are requested to proceed to the stage. May we now request our esteemed dignitary to confer the sash upon her. Thank you, sir. We request your parents to present her with the badge. She is punctual, kind and helpful, with creativity as one of her greatest strengths. Her dedication and wholehearted approach makes her a wonderful addition to our school cabinet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Let us appreciate her with a warm round of applause. Thank you, Madhu sir. With a grateful heart, we would like to request you to kindly grace your seat, whereas I request ma'am to remain on the stage for the further proceedings. Thank you, sir. Our next cabinet members represents the spirit of sportsmanship, creativity and curiosity. Please welcome our sports prefect, Rajveer. We request our sports in charge, Sushil sir, to grace the stage along with Rajveer's representatives today. Sumita Biswas ma'am, our primary coordinator. We invite Rajveer to kindly come forward. We request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon him. We request Sumita ma'am, the left side, to present him with his badge. A talented badminton player, a guitar enthusiast, and someone who enjoys cooking, he also possesses a keen interest and a good knowledge of computers. Now we request Sushil sir to honor him with a sports flag. With a strong inclination towards physical education, he brings energy and versatility to our student leadership team. Let us give our sports prefect a well-deserved round of applause. Our next leader brings empathy, understanding and warmth to the school cabinet. Thank you, Sumita ma'am. Please welcome our cultural secretary, Mahi Roy. We invite Mahi to kindly step forward. We invite Abhijit sir, our co-scholastic coordinator at GD Goenka, Lloyds Public School, to proceed towards the stage, joined by Mahi's mother, Mrs. Roy. May we invite them on the stage. We request Abhijit sir to confer the sash upon her. Thank you, sir. We request her parent to present her with her badge. Mahi Roy is an emotionally aware, kind-hearted and hardworking student who understands people and values the feelings of each and everyone around her. Her compassionate nature and dedication makes her well-suited to represent the cultural spirit of our school. A warm round of applause for Mahi Roy. We now move towards the leaders who will carry the colors and the spirit of their respective houses. Each house captain will not only lead their house in competition, but will also represent its values of teamwork, discipline, sportsmanship and unity. Representing the Mother Teresa House, we have a student with keen interest in sports and a strong sense of time management. Please welcome the Mother Teresa House Captain, Karthikeya. I invite Karthikeya to kindly step forward. We invite Karthikeya's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Deshetty, and the house mistress of Mother Teresa House, Namrata ma'am, on the stage. We request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon him. Karthikeya is a state-level table tennis player and plays harmonium equally well. Thank you, ma'am. We request his parents to present him with his badge. His favorite subject is commerce right now, particularly accounts, and his ability to balance academics and responsibilities make him a promising young leader. Thank you, ma'am. Now it's the time to request Namrata ma'am to present Karthikeya with the Mother Teresa house flag. captain. As they pose, we expect a huge round of applause to welcome our new house captain. And now we welcome the leader of Rabindranath Tagore House. Please welcome the house captain, Sanidhya Kirade. We invite Sanidhya to kindly come forward. May we invite Sanidhya's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Kirade, and the house mistress of Rabindranath Tagore House, Juhi ma'am, on the stage. We request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon him. Sanidhya has a strong interest in science and has demonstrated remarkable sporting ability, having participated in swimming at the national level. Thank you, ma'am. We request his parents to present him with his badge. He is punctual, kind, humble, and soft-spoken. Along with swimming and cricket, he has a keen interest in food and is currently working on strengthening his English skills. Now, we may request Juhi ma'am to present Sanidhya with the Rabindranath Tagore House flag. A warm round of applause for Sanidhya and the Rabindranath Tagore House. We welcome the leader of Sarvapalli Radhakrishna House the next. Please welcome the house captain, Abhay Biswas. May we invite Abhay to kindly step forward. We request Abhay's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Biswas, and the house mistress of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan House, Vasavi ma'am, on the stage. We request our principal ma'am to confer the sash upon him. Thank you, ma'am. We request his parents to present him with his badge. Abhay has a keen interest in science and English. Also possesses strong language skills, excellent observation and a good memory as well. He enjoys participating in spelling competition and has already brought recognition to the school by winning at inter-school level. With aspirations to become a doctor or a chef in the future, Abhay is a young learner with ambition and intellectual curiosity. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. And now may we request Vasavi ma'am to present Abhay with the Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan House flag. A huge round of applause to Abhay and the Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan House. Next up, we welcome the leader of Swami Vivekanand House. Please welcome the Swami Vivekanand House captain, Vishwateta. May we invite Vishwateta to kindly come forward. I also invite Vishwateta's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Kannuri, and the house mistress of Swami Vivekanand House, Sonali ma'am, to grace the stage. I request Principal ma'am to confer the sash upon him. Thank you, ma'am. We request his parents to present him with his badge. He has a good understanding of concepts and demonstrates strong behavior and respect towards others. He has received awards at the school level for singing and has special interest in table tennis, a sport in which he has helped bring laurels to his school. His patience, discipline and ability to develop his skills make him a young, deserving leader. Thank you, ma'am. Now we request Sonali ma'am to present Vishwateta with the Swami Vivekananda House flag. A big round of applause for Vishwateta Kannuri and the Swami Vivekananda House. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. now welcome the young women who will support their house captains and contribute towards building a culture of discipline, creativity, teamwork, and leadership. Representing the Mother Teresa House, please welcome our Mother Teresa House Prefect, Avni Garg. We request Avni to kindly step forward. We invite Avni's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Garg, to join us on the stage. I request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon her. Thank you, ma'am. We request her parents to present her with her badge. A creative, dedicated and disciplined young leader, Avni is ready to contribute with enthusiasm and responsibility. Congratulations to Avni. A huge round of applause while they pose. Representing the Rabindranath Tagore House. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Representing the Rabindranath Tagore House, please welcome our House Prefect, Aradhya Kene. We request Aradhya to kindly step forward. Aradhya's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Kene, are requested to join us on the stage. May I invite ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon her. Thank you, ma'am. We request her mother to present her with her badge. Her creativity, commitment and responsible approach makes her a promising young member of the school cabinet. A huge round of applause to appreciate Aradhya. Next up, representing Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan House, please welcome the House Prefect, Ishwari Ghate. May we invite Ishwari to kindly come forward. We request Ishwari's parent, Mrs. Ghate, to join us on the stage. I request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon her. Thank you, ma'am. We request her parent to present her with her badge. Ishwari, with dedication, discipline and creativity, is absolutely ready to take forward the spirit and the values of her house. A big round of applause for Ishwari. The next, representing Swami Vivekanand House, the House Prefect, Advika Akhtari. May we invite Advika to kindly step forward. We request Advika's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Akhtari, to join us on the stage. Meanwhile, I request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon her. Thank you, ma'am. We request her parents to present her with her badge. With creativity, dedication and disciplined approach, the Advika is ready to take on a new responsibility with confidence and pride. A huge round of applause for our House Prefects. Joining the cleanliness team, please welcome our cleanliness girl prefect Shreya Rao. May we invite Shreya to kindly come forward. We request Shreya's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rao, to proceed towards the stage. We request Jessie ma'am to confer the sash upon her. Thank you, ma'am. We invite her parents to present her with her badge. On the stage we have a young leader to promote the values of cleanliness, responsibility and care for our school environment. With a very vigilant mother, let's give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations to Shreya as she takes on this meaningful responsibility. Cleanliness reflects discipline, responsibility and respect for our surroundings. Please welcome our Cleanliness Boy Prefect, Abdullah Sheikh. We request Abdullah to kindly come forward. May we invite Abdullah Sheikh's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Sheikh, to join Abdullah on the stage. And we kindly request Principal Ma'am to confer the sash upon him. Thank you, ma'am. We request his parents to present him with his badge. This dedicated boy right here will take forward this important responsibility and help create a cleaner and more responsible school environment. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. A warm round of applause for Abdullah. Discipline is the foundation of every successful institution, and our next young leader embodies this quality. Please welcome our discipline boy prefect, Devansh Nande. May we invite Devansh to kindly come forward. We request Devansh's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Nande, to grace the stage. I request ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon him. We request his parents to present him with his badge. Devansh Nande is a sincere, disciplined and humble student who enjoys chess, typing and cooking. Science is his favorite subject and he dreams of becoming a mechanical or electrical engineer or perhaps even a scientist. He is also known for his helpful nature and his strong goalkeeping skills. Let us applaud Devansh for taking on this important responsibility. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. And finally, we have a role that captures, communicates and celebrates the vibrant life of our school. Please welcome our media maverick, Aryan Singh. May we invite Aryan to kindly come forward. We request Aryan's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Singh, to join us on the stage. I request Jessie ma'am to kindly confer the sash upon him. Thank you, ma'am. We request Aryan's parents to present him with his badge. This creative and gadget expert leader will take forward the responsibility of representing and showcasing the school's activities, achievements and memorable moments on the social media. A big round of applause for Aryan Singh. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. For a leader, a promise is not merely a word spoken. It is a commitment to lead by example and to uphold the trust placed in them. They have miles to go and many responsibilities to fulfill. So, as they take their first step into this journey of leadership, let us now hear the promise that will guide them throughout the year. May I now request the school cabinet to kindly stand ready for the oath ceremony.
Honorable Madhu sir, the parents of our council members, all the teachers and the students assembled here. It is actually a very nice feeling it has given, though it's a subtle ceremony, but it's very significant for the students and the staff of GD Goenka Lloyd Public School. We have with us today Honorable Madhu sir. It's a rare opportunity for us that he is here with us, sparing some time, and especially for a small function like this ceremony, investiture ceremony. When we talk about Madhu sir, if I don't tell this, that won't, I think that will be unfair. He is, as you know, is a very young and dynamic leader who manages the Lloyd Industries. And if I am right, many other ventures as well. Dear students, you should look upon Madhu sir as a role model. As I told, though he is very young, He handles efficiently multiple accomplishments. So it's an honor and it's actually an opportunity for the students that you are here. So students, are you all ready to take up the responsibility of looking after the entire school along with your teachers? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so let's begin the oath ceremony.
We promise
To strive to the best of our ability to live up to the ideals of our school by faithfully fulfilling our duties entrusted to us by the school authorities and teachers. We will respect the rules and regulations of the school and we will do our best to preserve, protect and defend the honor of our school. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspiring and insightful words. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we have formally entrusted our young leaders with their new responsibilities. Today, they have received more than a badge or sash or a flag. They have received the trust of their school, the expectations of their teachers, and the faith of their parents. May they lead not merely from the front, but by example. May they listen before they lead, serve before they command, and inspire. May their journey be filled with purpose, courage, integrity, and success. Let us give a resounding round of applause to the entire school cabinet 2026-27. May I now request our newly appointed school cabinet members to kindly take their seats. The doors for any of the parents to express their views about today's ceremony. From parents present here, anybody who would like to join us. Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause for Mr. Sheikh, Master Abdullah's parent, proceeding towards the stage. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. Myself, Muhammad Zubair Sheikh. I am Abdullah's father. It is very honorable and very good event I attended in my life. First of all, I would like to thank to Mr. Madhur sir, Principal ma'am, for this JD Goenka school in our Gugos area. Before it, we can't able to send our student, our child for bright future to other state and other location. Today, this ceremony is very good and very I can't explain it exactly, but I am very thankful for it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Once again.
The words have reached us, sir. And we are grateful for the recognition, the love, and the trust all the parents that is being pondered upon us. We now have the privilege of hearing from our esteemed guest of honor, Honorable Madhur sir. Sir, your presence today is an encouragement to our young leaders as they begin this new journey and responsibility and service. May we request you to kindly address the gathering and share your valuable thoughts with our students. Over to you, sir.
Hi, good morning. Please have a seat, children. Have a seat. There's no need to stand for me at all. I really appreciate it. Thank you everyone so much. And very, very good morning to all the parents, all the students, all the teachers over here. And congratulations on a very successful investiture ceremony. Big hand of applause to all the children. I've always expected and asked Jessie ma'am that, you know, we want to build a school over here, and the school that we build over here has to be the best in the area first, right? And then beyond that in Chandrapur, right? And then eventually in India as well. I've always said that this is how we need to go. And I don't see that there's nothing stopping us at all. Especially with great students like the one that we saw today. Fantastic job, everyone. So proud of everyone over here. Very, very proud to see that we are already, GD Goenka Lloyds Public School has already reached a strong number of 650, I think, almost. 560, sorry, my numbers get confused. 560 students, and we already reached the 9th grade. Next year onwards, we'll have 10th grade as well. And our first batch of CBSE students will pass out after that. So all the very best to some of the young leaders that will be coming out of the batches of women. I just want to tell the students that please take a moment to cherish these, you know, these excitement, these thrilling, these celebratory moments that you have, right? Because unfortunately, you're always in school, you're always in the middle of exams, in the middle of tests, homework, and the teachers will trouble you to get this done on time, it has to be perfect. But along the way, these ceremonies that you have, please enjoy them as well. Leave with a large, you know, smile on your face. Be happy that you're here. Be happy that you have this opportunity, that your parents have given you this opportunity, that you have it. This is something that you really should and you really will cherish going forward as well. I hope that 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 20 years from now, wherever you all are, you will remember this moment and will think, wow, we had some great days back in school as well. I hope this is one of those great days for you. For the students, I'd just like to leave you with that memory. And for parents who are here, again, thank you so much for the parents to be here as well. I'm sure it's not been easy. I can see some of you all are already are Lloyds, parents of this thing. I'm sure that our staff back at factory might have not made it easy for you to come till stay till late. But thank you so much for doing that and fighting this as well. Trust me, your children are worth it. I'd like to give a special mention to all the mothers over here. I don't know if anyone over here realized, but not a single, and this is no, the fathers are smarter than they realize, not a single father could able to put the tag on themselves. All the mothers had to do themselves. So one big round of all the mothers over here. And the reason why I'm saying not that the fathers can't do it, the fathers also realize that this is a few times and they're allowing the mothers to shine and they allow the mothers to put on the badge without even attempting it. But a great hand to the mothers. They really deserve it. That soft touch that we all know the mothers bring to the household. That's all I have to say. I have nothing else to say. All the best to the children over here. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
We are very grateful for your great observation and the inspiring words that has been addressed to our young leaders today. Those are very valuable thoughts, sir. We are very grateful. As we approach to the conclusion of this memorable ceremony, it is time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this special occasion possible. May we now invite our newly appointed head boy and head girl, Shivam Yadav and Mariam Khan, on the stage to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. We are grateful to respected Madhur sir for his blessings and presence. We also thank our principal who executed and guided us. A special thanks to sports and music department who executed and guided us throughout the journey. A sincere thanks to Farooq sir and Prandesh sir for their presence. A special thanks to parents for attending this ceremony.
teachers and house mistresses for always guiding and encouraging us. A special thank you to our parents for their love, blessing and constant support. We are also grateful to our non-teaching staff for their valuable contribution behind the scene. To our fellow students, thank you for your support and warm applause. Once again, thank you everyone for making this day special and memorable for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations to our newly appointed head boy and head girl. May they continue to lead with integrity, courage, discipline and compassion. On behalf of GD Goenka Lloyds Public School, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed dignitary, our respected principal, teachers, parents and our wonderful students for being a part of the special occasion. On this note, I request everybody to kindly rise from their seats for the national anthem.
School, attention!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
I request everyone to place their seats. With pride in our hearts and hope for the journey ahead, we officially conclude the investiture ceremony. Thank you to everyone and have a wonderful day. I request the dignitaries to kindly proceed.